My name is Kevin Bateman. I'm the Technical Manager for Maxell Europe, covering the European region, the Middle East and Africa. We've got a new product we're showing today at ISE. It's the new Maxell laser projector. It's called the MP-JU4001. It also comes in a WXGA resolution as well. Two brightness levels, 3,500 and 4,000 lumens brightness. It's a 3LCD technology projector, and it has a new technology inside. Instead of a phosphor wheel, it has a solid state Phosphor-Chip. Also, one of the main features is it has extra power from the USB port, where it can power up USB streaming devices like Amazon devices and ClickShare, etc. Also, the throw ratio is very competitive. It's between 1.3 and 1.8. The weight and the footprint is very, very competitive as well. Small footprint and super lightweight. Our website is maxellprodisplay.com.